Hey my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this for the first time, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button to be part of the Darling family. If you just joined, welcome and thank you. And my day one A1s, I see ya. You guys, today it's cold. It's been raining, drizzling off and on all day. Overcast, so I love it. It's my kind of weather. I'm not complaining. So I figured let's have some pho. And there's different types. There's shrimp. You could have chicken. There's all kind of stuff. So we're gonna have beef today. And let me show you all what it looks like. It smells good too. So yeah, so we got beef in here. And then we got, let me move this over. So it's not all beef. So then we got the noodles on the bottom. Yes. Then we got the little fixins over here. So you have the, I forgot what they call these. So we got some, it's like soy sauce, I want to say, which I don't care for. I'm not a soy sauce type. Ooh, is it mint or basil? Ooh. Now, you guys, this is not going to show. It's green, so it looks like I'm holding, either it's going to be translucent or whatever. You're not going to be able to see this, but it's pretty. So I'm going to put that on the side. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see this either. But we got some lemon, lime. Is this hot sauce? How did they know? You all know my videos, sriracha. Hey! I forgot to bring the sriracha, but man, awesome, awesome. Ooh! I don't know if these are spicy or not. You're probably not gonna see this either. Or it's probably gonna be discolored. So we got a couple slices. I think it's jalapeno. Oh, 2, 3 slices. I think it's jalapeno. And are these called bean sprouts or something? I don't know. I'm sure you can see these though. So I'm gonna dump that in there. The whole thing. Okay. And here's the broth. I love the way they package it, y'all. And it's still nice and hot. So again, it's just broth. You still see the steam. Pour it over the soup. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Oh, that smells divine. I don't know if I want to put this in there. Maybe just to give it some flavor. I'm not gonna eat it, but maybe just for flavor. It smells good though. Just stick it on the sides. Get that lime. Let's see. Ooh, you guys, I wish you could smell this right now. Now, I love lime. I love lemon. I wish I had like 5 more of these. Okay, so let's push that up there. Yeah. I'm gonna try it first without the sriracha. I mean, makes it really good. So, ooh, look at that piece of beef. Yeah, you see that? Make sure the noodles are getting drenched. I love these kind of soups, you guys. I don't know. Let me know in the description below if you guys like pho. And if you do, what's your favorite? Do you know, you eat all kinds? You just stick to like chicken? Um, I'm not big on chicken, you guys. I'll eat it, but it's not like one of my favorites. Beef is good, and seafood. I love the shrimp and all the fixings. So, anywho, let me show you. I don't want to tilt it. It's full. And the greens, again, you're probably not going to see like the leaves and the jalapeno and stuff, but it's there. Oh, and yes, my famous solo cup, you all seen the blue one I had in the last video. I have two, pink and blue, and I have it's Pepsi in here today. Oh, before we begin, let's go ahead and get that prayer in. Dear Father Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. In your name I pray, amen. Yes. Now I can have a little swig. All right. So I have the spoon in here. Since you all are my guest, please help yourself. Have a spoon, taste the broth, get a piece of the beef. There you go. That's right. Now we can eat. Y'all know I rarely have napkins, but because it came with the order, we have napkins today. Otherwise, you know how I do it. I really don't believe in napkins. Okay, let's taste the broth. Oh. That is so good. But yep, gotta have that spice. Ooh. So there we go. Don't get stuck. Barely coming out. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. So it's sriracha. Is it mixed with something? Tastes different, but all right, let's mix that in a little bit. So how's everyone doing? And I just want to say welcome to all the new Dahhhlings who just joined my channel. Thank you so much. I hope you guys continue to stay. I do mukbangs, and I also do oysters. So yeah, so it's just not food. And then from time to time, I do stuff with my nephew. We do videos together. We do like taste testing and stuff. So, but yeah. But welcome, you guys, and thank you so much. I hope you guys stay and yeah, enjoy some of my videos. And Nini, thank you, Nini, so much for that video you have put out for me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. There was a lot of love that went in that video. You guys, Nini had put out a video on her channel to put me out there. So I appreciate that, Nini, and all the love. And all the newbies who came from Nini's channel, welcome and thank you so much. All right, you guys. I think it's done. I want the noodles. The noodles and the beef. So there we go. Let me hold this up a little bit. Look at that, you all. The beef. And we got some of the noodles, yes. Yep. And I love how it's so sliced really thin. Yep. Let's get some of that noodle. Oh, more noodles. The noodle, piece of meat. Ooh. All right. There's the noodles all on the bottom. It's kind of what I wanted. Man. Maybe I should eat it with a spoon, huh? Oh. Y'all, this ain't agreeing with me today. Break it up. Finger foods, I guess. Some days it comes out there to look at. But oh well. It's gonna break. Yep. And I can definitely taste the sriracha. It's messy, but it's all right. Man, noodles are good. Here we go. Don't splash. Mmm. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's Sunday night, by the way, but this video probably won't be out till Monday, sometime on Monday. But yeah. The Oscars are going right now. I don't know if you guys watch the Oscars. I don't really watch it like from beginning to end. I love crushed ice. So I have the Oscars on, and I just catch like moments here and there. I was live earlier, and some of you were telling me that you do watch it. From beginning to end. Yep, and then there's a big chunk of meat underneath. I don't know if you can see that, but ooh. Ooh, yes. That was good. I had a little bit of everything. Now the noodles are cooperating. Yep, I think they just need to soak a little bit. I don't know about these jalapenos. Sometimes they're spicy, and then sometimes they're like pickled. Oh yes. And get some noodles. Put that meat right on top. Yeah. Hey guys, this was actually from Noodle World. There's a bunch of places all over, but this one's not that far. Down the street from where I live. So Noodle World, they got beef, they got chicken, I think they have seafood, but anywho, you all, like I said, I like to keep my videos short, sweet, and simple, under 15 minutes, so I love you guys. All the new, it came from Nini's channel to my channel. Again, welcome, thank you so much, I hope you guys stay. My day one A1s, I love you. And again, if you're watching this for the first time, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button to be part of the Dahhling family. I love you and thank you for watching.